Good morning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for central Lupton County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Union County in north-central Georgia, northwestern White County in northeastern Georgia until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
I'm trying to listen to it.
I want to show you guys something real
By
quick.
thunderstorms.
Ready?
Source,
Stop
radar
right here.
indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include areas such as Unicoi State Park, Porter Springs, Turner's Corner, Gooch Mountain Shelter, Camp Coleman Lake, Woody Gap Shelter, Pulaski Lake, Camp Merrill, Low Gap Shelter, the Bellwood Conservation Area, Timberville, Robertstown, and Annaruby Falls. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
No.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. At 9 p.m.